These are another new item that we're going to be coming. These are going to be coming later in the year, and these are our Deluxe Pit Kits, and we've got 3 of them. They're all Fords. We got a gold one, we have a silver one, and a black one, okay? And these are item numbers CP7990 and 7989 and 7988, I think. And these are basically a tune-up pit kit, and I'm going to do a speed build of an Auto World car. And so we're gonna do this. We got exactly 6 minutes to put a car together. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and we're just gonna set it right over here. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the chassis and we're gonna put all the tires on. We're gonna grab each tire. Okay, so we got the tires on. Now we're gonna take the guide pin. Guide pin goes right here. You want to make sure that snaps in. Then the magnets. Now, the magnets are tricky. You got to know exactly, it says white painted facing down. Slide them into the front recess. White is in the front. And the red is in the back. We got those in. Now we want to put the commutator springs in. And then your commutators. And you want to have the little nipple upside down. This is the fun part. You must have tweezers. If you don't have tweezers and you got fat fingers, good luck. There we go. All right, and then we have our armature. And what we want to do is we want to put a little bit of oil right here. Not a lot, because when it starts to turn, you want to make sure that it's going to turn. Now, this is where it's always tricky. Can you get that commutator on there before those this armature, before those commutators start springing out? See, look at that. That already popped out of there. That's funny. And then we have the gear. Okay, it moves good. That means the commutators. And then we have the clip. Man, I remember doing these so many times back in the 70s. Oh my goodness. I must have taken 100 cars apart. Now, look at the commutators. We've got good turning. The motor is turning really smoothly. Now we do the last piece, which is the guide shoes and the springs. And this is a tune-up kit. They're called Deluxe Pit Kits. You basically are building your own car, which is pretty sweet. There we go. Now we got everything in it. And then our bodies, see our bodies, this is how the regular tune-up kits come, but our bodies are finished because we wanted to do a series of cars that you put together. These are great for kids. You know, it really teaches them how to put something together, and that's what you want, is you want them to learn how to put things together. And so this is their own little kit, plus mine has my little Betsy Ross flag on it. So let's see how this car runs now on the track. What do you think? You think it's gonna go?
No.
Look at that. Holy cow. We've got launch there of NASA. We've got ourselves Apollo 12, man, going to the moon. And that is one of 3 tune-up kits. But this is another one that we did. This is the Turgel car. And then we have this one here. And then we have a gray one, then we have a gold one. The gold one, I think, is must be down at the store. I thought I brought it with me. But these are Deluxe Pit Kits at ProTinkerToys.com. You'll be checking them out. They'll be available here pretty soon. Probably around August, I think. At ProTinkerToys.com. See you later.